Hi, welcome to Planet CodeBot. My name's James, and today in this tutorial we're going to be looking at building and coding the MVP crane. We're going to start by adding the crane attachment. It clips easily onto the MVP base model without making any changes to it, which makes this an excellent follow-on activity in a lesson or sequence of lessons. Once you've attached the crane to MVP, there are 3 cables that need to be attached to the hub. These new cables will power and control the 2 crane movement motors and the light color sensor at the front. Step-by-step instructions are available in the Mindstorms app. First of all, we need to set up our coding software for what we want to do. Click the extension button and add the extra module blocks. We don't need all of them, but it is useful to see them all at once. For this project, I'll be using a PlayStation 4 controller instead of the on-screen controller. Our first step is to program our robot to calibrate itself to the preset MVP instructions. We will also, at this point, add an extra block to specify the speed for motors C and D. These motors control the crane. It is highly advised that you choose a slower motor speed for this. 15 to 25% is more than enough. The next step is to tell our robot how we want the crane to work. Our design has motor slots C and D controlling the 2 crane motors. Motor C moves the crane left and right, while motor D controls the reaching and retracting of the arm. As you can see, all of my directional controls are operated by the right analog stick of my PlayStation controller. Moving the right stick forward will make the crane arm extend outwards, and holding it back will retract the arm. Moving the right stick left will swing the arm to the left side of MVP, and moving it right will swing the arm in the other direction. We also need to have one extra control block for when the right analog stick is released. This block will tell the motors to stop moving. If we don't include this, the crane will keep moving until it receives another command, which makes trying to pick anything up nearly impossible to do. Finally, we're going to add some animations for the LED matrix. These animations will differ depending on which command we give to MVP. They aren't totally necessary, but they do add a little bit of visual style.